Hey everyone, so I wanted to hop on and do a new Lipsense color to me. It's the returning color Blush. Everybody is obsessed with it. I can't even talk right, but I have never tried it. It is a new color to me and a lot of people wear it, so I want to try it out, and I wanted to try it out on camera. Before you start applying your Lipsense, you want to take a wet rag and put it, clean off your lips, because you don't want there to be any food or makeup when you apply it. You want to apply it in 3 thin layers. So I got off all the food and the makeup. If you don't do this step, it's a must, because if you get the Lipsense, put it on and you get it and it starts cracking, that's because you got food in it or makeup, so you don't want to miss that step. So the second thing is you want to shake it up, and if you hear that clicking noise, it's actually a bead mixing up the color. So that's what I'm doing. You want to do it for about 30 seconds. Even if it's brand new, you want to do it. Even if you worn it 5 times, you want to do it every single time. Lipsense is a liquid lip color that is equal up to 3 to 4 tubes of regular Lipsense. I think it's 3. Yeah, 3, not 4. It is long-lasting, kiss-proof, smudge-proof, water-resistant, gluten-free, vegan-free, wax-free, lead-free. Let's see, gluten-free, made in the U.S., wax-free, lead-free, smudge-proof, kiss-proof, amazing. And I only apply it once, then our 3 thin layers, and my lips cannot touch. So after the 3rd layer, once it's dried completely, then I add my glossy gloss on. This is a must to seal it in. This is an old glossy gloss. I cannot find the one I got a month or 2 ago. I just can't find it. I thought it was in my purse. I thought it was my makeup. So this is unopened and sealed, brand new. I love that sound though. So before each layer, you want to wipe off the excess, and when you start applying it, you want to go in the same direction that you start with, but when you add the gloss, you don't have to. So I have never tried this color, so here we go. Whoa. Sorry about that. I got a scan luckily on my phone. So we're still on layer 1. And it's not gonna look exactly like that, so don't worry. Okay. This is a nice color. So your lips cannot touch. It's drying. So that was layer 1. And you can go back and fix it up. Okay, you want to make sure it's dry to the touch. Okay, layer 2. Okay. Okay. Here again. Make sure. Touch up layer 2. Okay. Dry to touch layer 3. This is the last layer. Okay. Layer 3. It's very pretty. Okay. So now it's dry to the touch. Gonna put my gloss on. Then you want to rub your lips together. And there you go. And there's nothing on my hand that's this old makeup from like earlier this morning. So there's nothing on this hand. It does not come off. The only thing that comes off is a glossy gloss. So once you seal it in, rub your lips together, you can blot the glossy gloss off, and then you can use one of our Lipsense lip glosses to change the color. But it's very simple, very natural, very nude. I like it. I think it's like one of my favorite Lipsenses ever. So please like this video and please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching. Oh, also, if you want to purchase the Lipsense with the glossy gloss, there's a link down below that you click on. Then you scroll down on the second page. It says shop now. Then it'll take you to another page where we'll have all these levels. You want to get a starter kit if you have not ever used Lipsense, and a starter kit is one Lipsense of your choice with a glossy gloss. Now, to remove the Lipsense, you will need an oops remover. So, and that costs $10. So this stuff will last me all day. I'm going out for coffee, and I'm going to drink my coffee with my Lipsense on, and it's going to stay on. It's not going to budge, not going to move until I want it to come off. So, but if you have any questions, you pick what you want, then you go to checkout. And when you're at checkout, right before you check out, there's a preferred customer little box, and you click that, you get 10% off all your purchases all year round. And let's say Synergens was having a sale on Lipsense, you would get, let's say they had for 15% off. You would get an extra 10% off by using my code and signing up. If you spend $100, you get free shipping samples. If you spend $150 and you click that link, that little box with $100 and $150, you get free samples, free a gift, and we don't know what that is. So yeah. That's how you can support me, and I will testify. Regular drugstore lipstick, I tried it before, and it's just a mess. Like, I have to keep reapplying it over and over. This is vegan free and cruelty free. It's made in the US, doesn't have any wax, lead, or it's not tested on any animals, doesn't have any animal products in it. You are getting amazing deal. So starter kit is gloss, and the choice of your Lipsense, and then an oops remover is to remove it. That is $10. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me, but I would love to help color match you and help you out. So if you want that, please let me know by messaging me on my Instagram account at redesign16. There's a link in my YouTube about page, and we will go from there. So thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this Blush Lipsense application, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button so let's jump right into it.